What's going on, everybody? Well, we're got a little package from Amazon, and remember when I done the bed cover, the rails, the truck rails. I'll get it right in a minute. And Yita Motors sent it, and I said that they had a lot of cool stuff on their website. So I've been wanting a cover to go on this truck because my fuel tank sticks up a little bit. It's kind of hard to find the bed cover, so that, and I didn't want to pay a lot of money for one right now. So I got on their website and checked them out. Again, Yita Motors. Let's see if they're packaging without doing whatever product review. I'm gonna do my own product review. They didn't send it to me, but I bought it because the bed, the rails on the truck were made really, really good, and it looked like they make some good products. So let's see what we got. Everything packaged well. That's good. All right, let me get everything out, lay it out, and we'll be back. All right, again, taking the plastic off. The first thing that I see about this company is they really, you know, as far as packaging, their packaging is really good. I'm very impressed. I was with the other one, and just ordering something by myself off and them not sending me anything, because I'm gonna do an honest review on it anyway. Their packaging is good. That's why I went back with this company. You know, there's all kind of companies on there that's got them, and I looked at a bunch of different ones, but for some reason it was just sending me back to this one because I've already dealt with this company, and I was impressed on how they package and the products that they build. So let's get started. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna try to make a decent video on this, and then I'm actually gonna send this to Yita Motors because I couldn't find nothing nowhere on how to do a Dodge. So what we're gonna do first is clean everything. Before you get ready, just go ahead and clean everything. And then we're gonna take the sticky right here on the foam, and we're gonna put it down here, and I'm gonna go all the way down with it. So when I get that done, I'll be back. All right. Got the foam down. So now it comes with a little Allen wrench, so get your Allen wrench out. So what we're fixing to do now. All right, so what I'm thinking so far is what I'm gonna do is right here. See how that the nut and bolt just move out? And the Allen wrench fits in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it right in here and see that groove. Then I'm gonna go underneath once I get it lined up, and I'm gonna tighten it up with the Allen wrench. Alrighty, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to fit this in here just like that. Can y'all see how I got it in? And then you're gonna slide it in, and we're gonna push it in all the way. And when we do, we're gonna tighten it up with an Allen wrench. All right, so we got it in there. Hope I done it right. And we're gonna tighten it up now. All right, I just finished tightening it up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this over, line my rail up, and I'm gonna go do the other side the exact same way. All right, so we got them two tightened up, and so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna level it out to where I want it. And if you notice, this right here is gonna work out just fine. It sticks above my bed a little bit, so the rails bring it up, so it's going to do exactly what I wanted to do. So I'm glad I went this way. Well, let's level it up and get started. All right, so what I'm going to do now, they give us 6 clamps. I'm gonna go ahead and put one clamp on each side just to hold it down. So that way I'm gonna unroll it just to make sure everything is level and everything's supposed to be. So let's put one clamp on. All right, so what I've done, I was trying to do it. Finally got this side down and the other side I could not get down. So what I've realized is these right here move. Take your Allen wrench and what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna close it and then put it where it needs to go and then reach in there and tighten them back up. There's 2 screws right in there. One here and one right there. All right, everybody, got the rails on. I adjust them over a little bit to make sure that they fit. Got these lined up, got these tightened up, and then here's your brackets. Went ahead and tightened them up. So it should be good to go now. So all I have to do now is, and it does fit, so I'm very happy with that. So just roll her out, just like so. Then put her in there like that, and she's down. And fits good. But the instructions on it didn't have a whole lot of instructions. It was a little task to try to figure out how. But if you line everything up, and then I was trying to do it without putting the brackets on. So the thing about it is the brackets. I was trying to line everything up and before I bolt everything down. Go ahead and use these. I put one in the front, one in the back. That way you can line it up and loosen them up a little bit, move them in as you go. So that way when everything lines up just perfect and it's easy to shut down. But I think that's gonna be all for this video. I hope it helps somebody out. And I don't know, I mean, we're gonna see how long this bed cover lasts. It's not really expensive. I wanted to see how it was gonna work before if I order another one, a better one or whatever later on. I know they have one online on their website that comes down like this. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's got the 3rd brake light. I may order that for the Sandwich Maker's Truck 2018 and try to put that on because I'm kind of curious on that. I've seen, you know, it's got the 3rd brake light right here going across, but it's also when you use your blinkers, looks pretty cool. So may get one of them later on to put on the Sandwich Maker's Truck and see how that goes and if it's built better quality. So far this right here, I don't see nothing wrong with this one. Don't cost a lot of money. It's gonna keep everything covered, keep everything from getting wet. Y'all go check it out. I'll leave the links down below. Y'all be careful, be safe, and I'll see you on the next one.